In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a duplicate Google business profile. This is a quick tutorial that should take you no more than 5 minutes, provided you follow these straightforward steps. Having duplicate listings can confuse your customers and negatively impact your business's online presence, so it's essential to address this issue promptly. Let's dive right in. Start by navigating to Google Business Profile. Once there, you'll need to sign in using your Google account details. This is your standard Google account, the same one you use for Gmail, Google Drive, and other Google services. Signing in should be straightforward, just enter your credentials and proceed. After you successfully sign in, you'll be directed to a dashboard where you can see all the business listings associated with your account. Here comes a crucial step: identifying the duplicate business profile you want to remove. Go through the list and click on the checkbox next to the duplicate listing. Be careful to select the correct one, especially if you manage multiple profiles. Once you've selected the duplicate profile, look for the Actions button. This button is your gateway to several actions you can perform on your listing, but for now, we're focused on removing it. So after clicking on Actions, look for the option that says Remove Business. Clicking this will prompt you towards the final step of the removal process. Upon clicking Remove Business, a confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure about removing the listing. Take a moment to ensure you're removing the correct one, as this action is irreversible. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on Remove. This final click is essentially saying goodbye to the duplicate profile, cleaning up your online presence and making it more straightforward for your customers. And that's it. You now know how to remove a duplicate Google business profile. It's a quick and simple process, but one that can significantly impact your business's online integrity. Remember, maintaining an accurate and singular Google business profile is key to ensuring your customers can find and interact with your business correctly. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.